We are here at Assembly Food Hall. This kind of gives me the Las Vegas vibe when you're walking down the streets of Las Vegas and you see these large, massive screens in Las Vegas. It kind of has that vibe. Where we're standing right now used to be the Nashville Convention Center, the property of the Nashville Convention Center. Over here is painting of Alan Jackson, bringing country back. We're gonna go upstairs here and see what's upstairs. All right, so we just got off the escalator here. And here is the Music City Shop and Guest Services. If you're looking for Nashville gear and shirts and hats and cups and mugs, they've got them. Here is Blue Sushi Sake Grill. Another look at the Assembly Food Hall. Right here we've got the Dry House. Over here is the Smoking Chicken. Looks like they got an open flame. No-bake cookie dough. It's like an ice cream cotton candy shop. Don't mind if I do. Here's Cotton and Snow. Back this way is the Thai Asani? Thai Asane? Chilango's Tacos. Whisk Crepes Cafe. French grapes and craft coffee. Made with love from Nashville. And here's some of the menu options from Cotton and Snow. It's shaved ice. Looks like some of these do have alcohol options available. Here's a sushi kitchen. And Coco's Cafe in Dolce. Over here is a very famous Nashville establishment called The Pharmacy. And they are known for their burgers. And I'm very excited about this. They have a velvet taco here. Check this out. There is the velvet taco. There's a couple more restaurants that I missed when we came in. There's a Zieg Waffle Company. And over here is Dock Local, lobster, crab, and shrimp. Supposedly they have the largest rooftop in Nashville, so we're gonna go check that rooftop out. All right, we just made it up the flight of stairs to the rooftop. This is a really nice rooftop with a great breeze as well. This provides a really cool scenic view of Broadway, right up here at the Assembly Food Hall rooftop. You can see Tootsie's Orchid Lounge, several honky-tonks that are lined up there all throughout Broadway. There's a pedestrian street bridge that'll take you right over to Nissan Stadium where the Titans play. All kinds of cutouts. There's a cutout of George Strait. Looks like he's advertising his tequila. Here's the Philly Special. It's one of the restaurants. This is Prince's Hot Chicken. There's Prince right there. Prince's Hot Chicken. Here's the Prince's Hot Chicken menu. And once you find what you want to eat, there is the hot scale. And you can see it goes from plain all the way over to XXX hot. Well, guys, I don't know how much more Nashville you can get than hearing some country music in the background, sitting here at the Nashville Assembly Food Hall with a Ryman Auditorium right behind me, and I'm getting ready to eat, look at that, guys, some Nashville hot chicken. So if you guys watch Nerds on the Go, it's an awesome channel. We're big fans of the channel. We were very fortunate to bump into Jeremy from Nerds on the Go a few weeks ago. Super cool guy. They actually did a comparison here in Nashville at the Assembly Food Hall, and they have a video on that. We'll post it in the description below. But they compared Hattie B's Nashville hot chicken to Prince's hot chicken. Now, Prince's hot chicken was the clear winner within their video, and I will say Prince's hot chicken has been around more than any other Nashville hot chicken establishment. Back in the 1930s, Thornton Prince founded the company, and it has been going strong here in Nashville ever since. So if you look inside that Nashville hot chicken, look at that, there's pickles, lots of hot sauce. And it was recommended by the kind lady who works here to get the sandwich. So I'm gonna try it. Here we go, guys. So this is a really good Nashville hot chicken. I can clearly see why Nerds on the Go marked this as the clear-cut winner in the competition between the two very famous Nashville hot chicken restaurants. And I will say they have perfected this recipe. The breading is good, the hot sauce is good. Even though I can't feel my lips and my tongue is completely numb right now, it is delicious, and it has a good kick to it. The pickles complement the hot sauce so well. And what's better than, like I said, just sitting right here in Nashville, Tennessee, across from the Ryman Auditorium. Well, guys, that was the Assembly Food Hall here in Nashville, Tennessee. Thanks for tagging along with me today, and I hope that you join me on the next video. I look forward to seeing you then on Every Day is Saturday.